Hey gamers! If you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup in 2025, one of the most important peripherals you need is a good wireless mouse. Today we're checking out the best wireless gaming mice of 2025, from ultra-lightweight speed demons to customizable beasts built for pros. Let's get into it. Starting with the Logitech G502X Plus, this is the ultimate all-rounder. It features Lightspeed wireless connectivity, Hero 25K sensor, and Light Force hybrid optical mechanical switches, which deliver lightning-fast clicks and super accurate tracking. With 11 programmable buttons, you can customize commands for MMOS, FPS games, and productivity shortcuts. The LightSync RGB lighting is fully customizable, so it can match your gaming rig perfectly. In testing, the G502X Plus handled everything from Call of Duty to Fortnite with perfect precision, and the ergonomic shape kept my hand comfortable for long gaming sessions. Plus, it's PowerPlay compatible, so if you have the wireless charging mat, you can keep gaming indefinitely without worrying about battery life. For gamers who want versatility, precision, and solid build quality, this is the one to beat. Next up is the Turtle Beach Burst 2 Air, a mouse that's ultra light at just 47 grams. It's designed for gamers who value speed and mobility, and it delivers with a 26K DPI optical sensor and optical switches for fast, responsive clicks. This mouse also offers tri-mode connectivity, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired via USB-C, perfect for PC, mobile, and console use. In real-world testing, the Burst 2 Air excelled at fast-paced FPS games. Rapid flicks and swipes felt smooth, and the 120-hour battery life meant I didn't have to constantly recharge it. Its symmetrical design is comfortable for both claw and fingertip grip styles, making it accessible to all gamers. If you want a speedy, ultra-light, and versatile wireless mouse under $100, this one is a fantastic choice. At number 3, we have the Razer DeathAdder V3 Hyperspeed, one of the most iconic ergonomic designs in gaming mice. Its lightweight at 55 grams features a 26K DPI advanced optical sensor and Gen 3 optical switches for rapid and precise actuation. The V3 Hyperspeed also comes with 8 programmable buttons, allowing you to customize macros, keybinds, or game-specific commands. I tested this mouse for hours in competitive shooters and RPGs, and the ergonomic design reduced hand fatigue significantly. Battery life is up to 100 hours, and it charges via USB-C, so you're never waiting around to get back into the game. If comfort and performance matter most to you, this is a top-tier pick. The Pulsar Xlite V3 is designed for serious competitive gamers who want minimal weight and maximum control. At just 55 grams, it's one of the lightest mice on this list, featuring a POW3395 optical sensor and optical switches for near-instant response. Its ergonomic shape fits medium and large hands comfortably, and the 8 kHz polling rate ensures no lag or delays in fast-paced games. I tested it with Valorant and CSGO, and flick shots and micro adjustments felt instantaneous and accurate. While it lacks fancy RGB lighting, its performance-focused design and OLED display for DPI settings make it a solid choice for esports enthusiasts or pro gamers. Finally, the Logitech G X SUPERLIGHT 2 is built for professional-level esports performance. It weighs just 60 grams, features a 44K DPI Hero sensor, and an 8 kHz report rate, making it insanely responsive. There are 5 programmable buttons, and it supports USB-C charging, so you can get back to gaming quickly. In practice, the SUPERLIGHT 2 felt effortless to move, perfect for rapid aiming in FPS games, and fine-tuned control in MOBA titles. The ambidextrous shape is ideal for claw or fingertip grip styles, and it's sturdy yet feather light, which makes long sessions feel comfortable. If you're aiming for the ultimate competitive edge, this is the mouse to grab. And there you have it, the best wireless gaming mice of 2025. Whether you want lightweight speed, ergonomic comfort, or pro-grade performance, there's a mouse here for you. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you'd pick for your setup. Hit like if this helped, and check the description for direct links to grab your favorite. Upgrade your mouse and take your gaming to the next level.